Now let's look at this figure 21-53 that deals with above storage ground tanks in accordance with NEC 515.3. And you get all your dimensions and distances around this tank from table 515.3. Now let's just notice the 3-foot rule to the right top side of the illustration. And it says 3-foot radius around the vent is a Class 1 Division 1 location is outlined in Table 515.3. And then out to 5 foot, when we review the information to the left top side of the illustration, we have 3 foot to 5 foot around the tank is a Class 1 Division 2, as outlined in Table 515.3. And then we would have a 10-foot out from the tank horizontally and vertically in accordance with Table 515.3. And then the dike has to be able to take the entire amount of liquid or whatever inside the tank, and it's kind of a confinement area. It kind of catches that area, and that's a Class 1 Division 2 area in accordance with 515.3. Now, if you wanted to go to NFPA 30, look at your table 7.3.3, and the tank with the dike is talked about there. You could also look at NFPA 497 and look at figure 5, 10.10a through C, and you would pick up again all this information about a tank, about the dike and everything. But this is exactly what this figure 21-53 is showing, is just the dimensions around the tank that is considered classified. Now, you have to be careful if you put anything electrically inside that dike. Remember, you're out 10 foot. And when you leave that 10 foot, you're leaving the boundary. If you route it underground and come up, then again, you see you're in that dike area. That's a Class 1 Division 2 up to the height of the dike. So seals are required. But many times out there, if we're not careful, equipment will be built on a rack. The conduit comes out and doesn't go through the ground. It comes out past the dike and then down. And if you don't place a seal there, you're in violation, because you have to place a seal within 10 foot of that boundary in accordance with 501.15 of the code. So keep that in mind, and that's what this figure 21-53 is illustrating.